Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to revise chapter 8 and chapter 9 for grade 6. Chapter 8 is area and chapter 9 is volume and surface area of rectangular prism and some types of other triangular prism and pyramids. Okay, let's start the lesson. See, this is just a revision only, so I will explain how to solve the question. Maybe questions I will not consider here because for that I have made the separate videos for that. So you can go through that videos. It is just a revision only. Okay. See, area of a parallelogram. What is the formula for area of parallelogram? It is area is equal to base times height. Okay. Now, in this formula, if you see, we have three things: area, base, and height. Now, these three things, from these three things, two things will be always given to you in the question. For example, what is base here? This is base. Okay, this line is base, and this line here I am taking as height. Okay, and if you remember this thing, that height is a line which makes 90° with the base. Okay, like this you must notice in the picture. If it is given in the exam, then you should see that which line is making 90° with the base, so that line will be taken as the height. Okay, now if I take this as B, height as H, area as A, so A is equal to B times H. Now what you can see in the exam, maybe they will say area, find area if base is equal to 10 centimeter and height is equal to 5 centimeter. So you see, direct values are given to you and you just put this value here and you will get the answer. Okay, another thing can be like they can say area is equal to 10 centimeter square, base is equal to 5 centimeter, find the height. So what you will do in this case, you will write the same formula, but in this case now value of area is given to us. Okay, sometimes students in hurry they do this mistake that they this multiply 10 with 5, but here 10 is the area, it is not the side. Okay, so what you will do in this case? In this case, height will be equal to area divided by base. Okay, and similarly, if they say area is equal to, say for example 100 meter square, height is equal to 50 meter, then find the base. Okay, so in this case base will be equal to area divided by height. Okay, so what basic thing you will remember here? You will remember only this thing, that this is the main formula. Area is equal to base times height. Okay, and from three things, two things always it will be given to you in the exam and you will have to find the third thing. So if, just remember, in short I am trying to explain you, if area is missing, then multiply the sides. Okay, if any side is missing, base or height is missing, then divide area by the another side. Okay, and then you will find the missing side. What else you can have in such questions related with the area? Maybe they can ask you that, okay, one surface has to be painted with some color and cost of the color is, for example, say dirham 2 per meter square. So what will be the total cost in the painting? So painting, wrapping of the gift, everything, these things where you are dealing with the surface inside, it is called area. Okay, so in such questions you will find the area and after that you will multiply with the cost and then you will get the answer. Okay, again I am telling you, my dear students, if you want to see the questions, then please go to those separate videos what I have made for these lessons and you can understand the questions. Okay, so I am sure you understood about the area of a parallelogram. Now next we can talk about area of triangle. Now you can see here we can have three types of triangles. Okay, first, if you remember the name, this is called right angle triangle. Why? Because this angle is 90°. This is called acute angled triangle and this is called obtuse angle triangle. Okay, why this is acute? Because all angles are less than 90. And why it is obtuse triangle? Because one angle is more than 90 degree. Okay. Anyways, this is the extra information not related with the area. So we have to find, so these are the three cases, these are the three types of triangles you can have in exam. So maybe this type of triangle is given, right triangle, so this will be taken as height and this will be taken as base. Okay, so what is the formula for area of triangle? Area of triangle is half times base times height. Okay, same like the parallelogram, just you make it half. Okay, now here in another case, see, formula will remain same for all the cases. For this case also it is half times base times height. For this also it is half times base times height. Okay, base will remain same. Base, no problem, it is here. This is base. Okay, here also it is base. No change in the base. Here also only this part of the line is base. Okay, you will have to be little careful in this third picture. Why? Because in this case height is outside the triangle. Okay, so here in this third picture this side will be taken as the height. In this second picture this side will be taken as the height, because this is making 90 degree with the base. Okay, here I will tell you one more thing, because they can trick you with this example. For example, only for the obtuse triangle. Okay, see, they can say if this is for example say A, H, C and this is B. Okay, then they will say which of the following options represent the area of the triangle. This I am talking about the third case only, this triangle. Okay, this one, not the other two. So option 1 can be, they will write half times B times H. Second option can be half times B times A. Third option can be half times B times C. Okay, now here you will have to be very careful. See, formula is half times B times H. If you only mug up the formula without understanding, then definitely this question is going to be wrong. Okay, why? Because in this case H is not the height, if you see, because it is not with the 90 degree line here. So 90 degree line making height is A. Okay, this is this one. A is making 90 degree with the base. So this formula will be the correct answer. Okay, not the first one. So just remember that half times base times height is the formula for area of triangle. That's okay. But which side is the base and which side is the that height, you will have to be very careful with that. Okay, and similarly same like the parallelogram, you can have question here also, like from, you can see in this formula you have three things: area A, base B and height H. So from three things, 1, 2 and 3. From these three things, two things will be given to you, that is base or height, one option. Maybe they will give you the area, base and height will be missing. So like parallelogram I explained to you, if you have to find the area, then direct formula you can apply. Okay, but if base is missing, then what will be the formula? 2 times area divided by H. And if H is missing, then what will become the formula? 2 times area divided by the base. Okay, so it depends on the question, and I am sure you will be very careful in the exam, and this question will be very easy for you. Okay, if you have any problem, then you can write in the comment also. Now let's talk about another. Now this is trapezoid. You can have two types of trapezoid, one like this, another like this. Okay, now what I am telling you here, I am telling you the direct formula. Okay, I'll tell you another method also, it's okay, but it is up to you. Whatever you want, you can continue with that. So in trapezoid, you see I am taking A this side and B this complete side. Okay, base, and this is height of the trapezoid, so H. Okay, now what will be the area of trapezoid? Area of trapezoid will be half of sum of the parallel sides, means A plus B. Parallel sides means who do not meet. So these two sides will never cut each other. So that's what they are, parallel sides. Okay, times H. Okay, this formula will remain same for this trapezoid also, but if you go with the basic method what is given in your book, so you will have to be little careful, extra careful with the method, because in that case you will draw a line, another line, and then this side will be A, this side will be B, maybe for example this also B. Okay, so that will be very lengthy method, and then you will find areas of two triangles and area of one rectangle in the middle, and then you will add them to find the final area. But if you are using this formula what I have written here, then it will be very easy for you. Okay, if I am taking this as B again, so this formula will represent area of the trapezoid. I'll suggest you to go with this formula only. Okay, now why? Because this will be applicable in this case also. See, this is A, this is B, and this is H. So you can apply this formula again, and you see here how many things you have in the formula. 1 area, that is 2 value of A, 3 value of B, and 4 value of H. Now from these 4 things definitely they will give you value of 3 things in the exam. Maybe they will say, okay, this side is 4 centimeter, this side is 6 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter, find the area. So direct you can apply the formula, area is equal to half times A plus B times height is 5. So it is 5. Now just calculate this, 1 over 2 times 10 times 5. So 10 over 2 means 5. 5 times 5 means 25. Say for example it is centimeter, so centimeter square. Like this you can get answer very quickly. Okay. Now what else you can have in this? If they will not give you height, it's okay, then that can be manageable. Question will not be that much lengthy. For example here H we don't know, but they say area is equal to, say for example 100 centimeter square. Again you will start with the same thing. Area is equal to half times A plus B times H. This is the formula. This question I am taking because many students asked questions about this, that if area is given then how to find the side. Okay, so this area is 100 times half of A plus B means 4 plus 6 times H we don't know. So 100 is equal to half times 10 times H. Now 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now you see this is just a simple equation to solve it. 5 is in multiplication. So both sides you will divide by 5 to get the value of H. 100 divided by 5 is 20 centimeter. Like this you can find the answer. Okay. Question will be extra lengthy. I will not say difficult, but it will be extra lengthy if height is given, area is given, but one side is not given. For example, here if they say height is equal to 5 centimeter, upper side is 4 centimeter, but downside we don't know. Okay, and area is once again 100 centimeter square. So how you will do this question? Again, value of area. See, my dear students, every time you write this formula and then just write the values. For example, value of A is given 100. So just write it here. Okay. Value of A is given 4. Write here 4. Value of B we don't know. So write B times H. H is 5. Okay. Now what next? 4 plus B is equal to how much? Did you say 4B? No, this is completely wrong. Why I said like this? Because many times I hear this type of answer in the class. Okay, so remember 4 and B are unlike terms. Okay, so they cannot be added or subtracted. So what we can do here? 2 is in division, so another side it will be in multiplication. 5 is in multiplication, so another side it will be in division, equal to 4 plus B. Why I have not shifted 4 in this step? Because it was written in the bracket, so it will go at last. Okay, now you see, just calculate this. 100 divided by 5 means 20. 20 multiply 2 means 40 is equal to 4 plus B. Now subtract 4 from both the sides, so B will be equal to 36. See, like this you can solve the questions. If you will be little careful with the calculation and formula, then all questions will be Correct. Okay. I'm sure you understood this trapezoid. Now, this is the topic area of regular polygon. Regular polygon means a polygon whose all sides are equal. For example, how many sides you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. It means it is a pentagon. What is the name? Pentagon. Okay. Now, in this case, I have seen so many questions like this. They give you in your book, like they will write one side, for example, say it is 12, and then they will write this height also, say for example this is 7, okay, and they will say find the area of pentagon. So what you will do here, you can just make a triangle like this, here join them, okay, just don't go with the line, I am sorry for that because of the alignment. Okay, so it is just a triangle, okay, and what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is half times base times height. This is area of one triangle. This is area of this part only. And how many triangles you can make into this pentagon? You can make 5 triangles. How? Because there are 5 sides. So you see, this is another triangle, this is another triangle, this is another triangle. So total how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many triangles we see here? 5. So what we will do? We will multiply this area by 5. Okay, this is one method to solve the question. Okay, just put the values of B and H here, means half times B was 12, H was 7 times 5. So 12 divided by 2 means 6, 6 times 5. Okay, yes, one more thing here, my dear students. If you multiply like a simple way, then maybe it will take time. So what you can do here, you can regroup it. 6 multiply 5, 30. And 30 multiply 7, it's very easy for us to calculate. Yes, centimeter square. Okay, like this you can solve the question. So what important thing here you will understand? Why I have multiplied by 5? Because there were 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. So you multiply by 5. But make sure that they have given you picture like this. One height is given like this and base value is given to you. If not, then it's very rare for you, but you must know this also. See, if you join a line like this here, then upper side becomes a triangle. So if you know this height, and lower side becomes a trapezoid. So find their areas and add them. I'm sure this type of question will not be there in the exam, but you should know. Okay, we don't know that what questions you will have in your final exams. Okay, now another type of figure can be, see, same method here also. This is just join like this, it becomes a triangle. And how many sides here? So first you write the formula for area of triangle. Area is equal to half times base times height. And by which number you will multiply this area? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sides are there. So you will multiply by 6. Okay, I am sure you understood this easy topic, regular polygon area. Just make sure that you are applying the formula for area of triangle correctly, and then you are multiplying with the number of sides to find the final area. Okay, now to find the area and perimeter of irregular figure. Now you see, my dear students, to find the area and perimeter. Perimeter is very easy to find. How? Because perimeter means border line. So border line means just count the number of blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So its perimeter will be equal to 26, say for example centimeter. Okay, don't forget to write the unit. Okay, now this was very easy, but what about area? Area, you see, area you can count the number of boxes also, or you can go with the basic method also. I will tell you both. You see, if you need to count the area, find the area, then what you will do here? First, make sure that all the boxes in the picture is complete. Okay, there should be no half box, or there should be no partial box, that some box is inside and half of the box is outside. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24. So its area will be equal to 24 centimeter square. Okay, what else you can do? Maybe they will not give you like this in the graph. Then what you will do? You maybe like this they can give you the question. Okay, I'll change the color. Okay, maybe they can give you like this. Like this. Okay, so without the graph paper. So what you will do? Maybe they will give you the sides like 4, this may be 8, this is 10, this is 2, like that. Okay, and this is say for example this is also 2. Okay, no problem. So if you need to find the area, then how you will do this? Just join this as a simple line. Now this is, see, this is rectangle 1, this is rectangle 2. So what will be area of rectangle 1? Area of rectangle 1 is base multiplied by height, because see this is 8. Yes, so down will also be 8, this one. No problem in this. So 8 multiply 4 means 32, and area of 2, area of rectangle 2 means this one. What will be the area? Both sides are equal, so 2 multiply 2 means 4. Just don't go with this exact measurement. Okay, maybe that measurement may be up and down, it's okay. I want you to understand the method how to solve the question. Okay, so after that you will write total area is equal to 32 plus 4 means 36 centimeter square. Like this you can find area of irregular figure. Okay, now next is for this. Now you see, for this triangle you have to find the area, because they will not ask you about the perimeter of the triangle. Okay, because these things you will study in your higher classes. Here you will have to study about the area of the triangle. So what is the formula for area of the triangle? I'll write the formula once again. This is area is equal to half times base times height. So where is the base and where is the height? You see, this is the base. Yes, so how much? Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So value of base is, I am writing here only. Okay, so that I don't want to change color again and again. So base is 8. Okay, is it 8? Yes, if I am not wrong. Now height, it is 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 4 multiply 3 is 12 centimeter square. Okay, now like this you can find the area. Okay, see, I want to tell you one more thing here, that they can ask you with the picture, diagram will be given to you like this, but these numbers will not be in the continuation. Here it is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So we say that counting 1, 2, 3, 4 it is 8. But maybe they will write like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 like this. Okay, so just take care of these numbers also. If they are double the number, then you also double the counting, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total length will be 16, because one box is representing 2 units now. Okay, so take care, extra care about these numbers. Okay, now next is volume. Volume of a rectangular prism. What I told you about the volume? Volume means capacity to hold. So volume of rectangular prism formula is very easy. One I am taking side as length, another side I am taking width, and height I am taking as h. So what will be the volume of rectangular prism? Volume will be length multiply width multiply by height. Okay, so again I am writing volume as V L times W times H. So you see how many things you have in this formula? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from 4 things, 3 things definitely they will give you in the exam. Just put the value here and then you will get the answer. Okay, maybe they are asking direct question, find the volume. So what you will do? Multiply all the 3 sides. If they are saying volume is given, length is given, width is given, then height missing. So what you will do? Height is equal to volume divided by length multiply W. Like that you can solve the question. So this is the basic equation. This is the main equation, and here you need to put the values. Okay. Now, surface area of the rectangular prism. Now, my dear students, in surface area you can have two types of question. One, when direct dimensions or sides will be given to you. For example, this is length, this is width, and this is height. So what is the formula for surface area? Surface area is 2 times LW plus WH plus HL. Okay. Now, if you solve this, if they give you the values, then simply you just put it here. For example, if they say length is 5, width is 3, and height is 4. So just put it here. 2 times L means 5, W means 3, plus W means 3, H means 4, plus H means 4, and L means 5. So calculate it. So this is 2 times 5 times 3, 15, 3 times 4, 12, 5 times 4, 20. So that is 2 times 15 plus 12, 27, 27 plus 20, 47. 47 multiplied by 2, 94 unit square. It can be centimeter, it can be millimeter, anything. Okay. See, this is the question which can be done by the direct formula. Okay. Another method for surface area of rectangular prism can be, they can give you question like this. Okay. Here you see this is the net diagram of surface rectangular prism. Net diagram means if you open all the surface, then how it will look like. So what you will do in this case? It is also very easy. You see, this is, you just take it like this. This is rectangle 1, okay, and this is also rectangle 1, just 2 times. This is rectangle 2. So this is also rectangle 2 times. Every surface will be 2 times here. Okay. You need to just find the area and then multiply by 2. You see, every surface will be 2 times. So find surface area or find the area of each rectangle and multiply by 2. So area of rectangle 1 is equal to, what is the formula for area of rectangle? Base multiply by height. And why I am multiplying by 2? Because we have two rectangles, 1 and 2. Okay. So if you don't want to multiply by 2, if you think that it is confusing you, don't multiply here. Okay. You just write different numbers for all the areas, like R1, then this is R2, R3, make it R4. Okay, I'll change the color. This is R4 and this is R5. Okay, and another will be R6. Now 6 surfaces are there. So find area of all the surfaces and after that you add them. So this is equal to 80. Now area of R2, R2 is here up. So this is 4. See, this is side is 9. So this also will be 9. So 9 multiplied by 4 means 36. Area of R3 is equal to, R3 is where? This is R3. So 20 multiplied by 9 means 180. Then area of R4, R4 is in the middle, you see. This is, see, this side is 20. So this side will also be 20. So 20 multiplied by 9, it is equal to 180. And then area of R5, it is equal to, area of R5 is this one. So this side is how much? 4. So this is also 4 and 20. So 20 multiplied by 4 is 80. And then last, area of rectangle 6 is equal to, it is 9 multiplied by 4, it is 36. Now you can see here, every area is for 2 times, 80 here, 80 here also, 36 here, 36 here also, and 180 here also. So just you add them. So it will be total area is equal to 6 plus 6, 12, then 1 carry forward, 8, 1, 9, 3, 12, 12, 8, 20, 28, 28 and 8, 36 and 3, 39 and then 3 forward. So 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 centimeter square. Okay, this is the most lengthy method I have told you to calculate the area, but here you will find area, all rectangle area, and then plus them. Okay, otherwise what you can do, you have many methods for this. You see, you just find the three numbers here. What all the three numbers do you see here? 20, 4 and 9. So one value can be length, another value can be width, and another value can be height. Okay, so you just apply the formula what I told you just now, twice LW plus WH plus HL, and then you will get the answer. If not, then find the area of one rectangle, double it, then find the area of rectangle 2, double it. In that case, you will find only 3 rectangle area, not all. Okay, and just double it, and after that you will add them. Like this you can find the area, surface area of the rectangular prism. Now how you will find the surface area of triangular prism? You see, triangular prism means if you open this box, then you will see there will be one triangle, this is T1, another triangle will be T2, both areas will be same because they are up and down, and you will have 3 rectangles, rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3. So if I take this picture as this is A, this is B, and this is C, and what I can take, height is H. Anything else do we missing here? Okay, let's check. Now for the area for the area you need height also, height of the triangle. So maybe they will give you in the exam, or if not, then here you can find it. So you will find the area of triangle by which formula? Area of triangle T1, or area of triangle only. So half multiply base multiply by the height. Don't focus on this B. Okay, I will write complete because this B may confuse you. Then base multiply by the height, and after that you will multiply it by 2. Why? Because we have 2 triangles of the same areas, and then you will find area of R1, that is rectangle 1, with the formula base multiply height, base multiply height. In the same formula you will find area of R2, area of R3, and after that at last you will add all the areas to find the final answer. Okay, like this you will find surface area of a triangular prism. Okay, now next can be surface area of pyramid. Now you see, if you open this pyramid, then you will find this type of net diagram. Means base will be a square because it is a square based pyramid, or if you have a triangle based pyramid, then base will be a triangle. So I am taking this as B because it is a square, so all sides will be equal. Okay, and this height I am taking H, and where is in the height here in the pyramid? This is height H, slant height. Okay, this is called, what is the name? Name is slant height of pyramid. Slant height of the pyramid will be the height of the triangle. Okay, but here it is for the pyramid. Okay, now this line is the height of the pyramid. Okay, so no need to include this line in this question. So what will be area of pyramid? Area of pyramid will be equal to area of base. Base is a square, so area of x square. Base is a triangle, so area will be area of the triangle. Okay, plus area of one triangle multiply by 4. Why 4? Because here base is square, so 4 sides, and all the 3 triangular areas will be equal because they are on the same type of base. Okay, and same height. Definitely they will have to be the same height because we have to form the pyramid. Okay, if it is a triangular base pyramid, then you will find the area of triangle as the base, then area of triangle of the surface, side surface, and then here you will multiply by 3 because in the triangular pyramid you will have only three side triangles. Okay, like that you can solve the questions, my dear students. And still, if you have any confusion, you can write in the comment, and I will make sure that I'll include some questions also. But I have made another videos for that, and you can go through those videos. If you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.